It's a mess. You must feel horrible. You've lost everything. Your father, your tribe, your best friend.
Why couldn't I have killed that dragon when I found him in the woods? Would have been better for everyone.
Yep, the rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you?
No one has ever killed a Night Fury. That's why I'm gonna be the first. I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I am a Viking!
Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
So why didn't you? Everything we know about you guys is wrong. They're not what we think they are. We don't have to kill them. I don't want to fight dragons. I can't kill dragons.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them!
This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature whose soul reflected my own.
I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. Do you trust me, bud? We can do this. You and me. As one. Toothless! No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm glad to see you too, bud. You really had me worried there.
Thank you for saving my son.
You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you. Save him.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a dragon.
It's okay. I love you too.
But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.